Hey, guess what, man? Two of the greatest girls around in Hilo. Hey, who's the fastest cook?
Man in the pan.
Oh yeah, big shaka! Hey, guess what? Here's the two most beautiful girls. Hey, mother and daughter. They look like two sisters. Hey, well, who's the greatest chef?
The man in the pan.
Oh, big shaka, big shaka! That's the one. Hey, guess what, man? Here's the two young, lovely couple here. Hey, who's the greatest chef?
The man in the
Oh
pan.
yeah, big shaka, the man in the pan. That's the one. What is the greatest dressing of all?
Hawaiian hula papaya seed dressing. Made of
Oh, made in Kauai. Okay, who's your fastest chef that you know about?
Man in the pan.
Okay, big shaka, big shaka. Come to the man and the pan. Today I'm gonna do something really, really simple. You know, I'm gonna fry some shrimp, shell on shrimp. All I wanna do is I marinate in some papaya seed dressing. You can use Italian dressing, you can use all different kind of dressing. I marinated it overnight and I put in about 4 ounces of the marinade for 1 pound shrimp. You turn on the pot, get them hot. I use a high-burning oil, so I use this Maui sunflower oil. You know, sunflower oil, it heats up really fast, great for frying. Unbelievable. So I marinated some shrimp right in this bag, okay? It looks like this, marinated shrimp, okay? In another bag, this is a produce bag, I dumped in some cornstarch, okay? Just inside here, okay? And in this bag, yeah, you see the shrimp, all marinated, coated with some cornstarch. Now what the cornstarch is gonna do is gonna make the shrimp really crispy, so you can eat the shell and all, okay? Look, it's getting hot. Dump in the shrimp in a smoking hot fire. When you make the pan smoking hot, the good thing about it is the product doesn't stick. Yeah. Now you want a real crispy, because the reason why I want a real crispy because I'm gonna eat the shell and all. Okay. And so you want the pan smoking hot. And you want with a high heat oil. And you know, this thing here gonna taste really good. Okay. Little bit more. I like a real crispy, so I can eat the shell and all. Okay, I think it's about done, so let me take it out. Oh, I think ready to eat. There you go, man. See right over here, right? Shrimp, man, marinated in some beautiful papaya seed dressing, and I say you can use Italian, whatever you want. And I just garnish it, put a little bit onions over it, just like this. That thing look good, but let's see how it tastes. Here you go. It's good, it's hot, and we'll see you next week on another Man and the Pan. Aloha.